Would you be amazed if I told you there's an application on your phone that you can download that actually gives you money? Matter of fact, it's just a browser. You know Internet Explorer, Google Chrome? Yeah. But this one actually pays you actual money that you can use in the real world. What? And this video is brought to you by that painting right there. As you can see, boom. Doesn't that look nice? Why does it look crooked, fam? Did I mess up? Well, this phone application, my friends, is free to use. It's called Brave. I highly recommend you actually check it out. You download it if you would like, at least to try it out. Not only does it pay you actual money, okay, but it also has a web shield, aka ads no more, be gone, and so many other things. It's actually really cool. This is like my goodbye Google Chrome, goodbye Internet Explorer. You already said farewell to you like 50,000 times. Yeah, Brave, an amazing application. And for example, there's something called Brave Rewards. If you look at the top right, you click it, you'll see the calculation, the estimate on how much you will probably be earning for the month. It pays you every single month, FYI. And what they do, they actually give you advertisements. They send you advertisements, and what I recommend you do, there's a sneaky trick in the settings tab. In the settings tab, you can change it so the advertisements also show up even when the browser is closed. That's more money, my friends. You just have to click on one of the little notifications, and then that's it. It just takes you to a certain website, and you get some money out of it. You're not gonna be a billionaire, by the way, doing this, or maybe you are. I'm certainly not. Just a few extra dollars, every single month for doing the same exact stuff that you already are doing. I mean, that's just free money. Literally, that's free money. It's the same stuff, doing the same thing, but you're getting paid for it. I mean, I'll take it, even if it's a couple dollars. Fam, I'll take it. It's something. And there's a referral link in the description down below where you can download Brave, the browser, on Android, iOS, and even on your computer. I actually have a whole different video as well for just a computer. This is just a phone thing that I'm talking about, but it's very cool. They're both cool. I use them both. Why aren't you? Are you? Maybe? I don't know. You should. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this short video. I'll see you when I see you. My name is Vasterz, and I'm signing out. May Jesus be with you, and God bless you, my friends.